till when everything was diverse, and then it came back to me, and then I realized this thing could really actually kick in.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And you see, there is one
Mhm.
thing that always makes a man to be scared of coming out and talking about it. And
Yeah.
it starts with, who can I trust? You see, that is the most important thing. Because I can have something that I'm going through and I lack someone to actually talk to. You see, for women,
Sure.
they are easily carried by emotions. They can talk to any person as long as yule amekuja wa kwanza, they'll open up to that person. Unaona, that's why
Sure.
wanakosana, then wanaexposiana vitu zenye walikuwa wanaambiana. But for a man,
Mm.
we are built in a way that yes, we have to be strong. As much as we're going through problems, we need someone that we can trust. And we have a problem trusting someone, especially when it comes to deep issues concerning ourselves. Like, nataka
Mm.
nikwambie the challenge I'm going through. Acha nikwambie
Mm.
kitu. These
Yeah.
things go deep. It is not even about a woman peke yake. It is about even the challenges you're going through as a man. Let's say that's why unasikia
Yeah.
mtu hata kwenda kwa daktari ni ngumu. It is not about ati huyu msichana na kufrustrate, huyu msichana na kufanya nini kwa nyumba. It can even be something with your bed issues, whatever. Hiyo pia inachangia
Yeah.
tume, it's part of it. Kwa sababu unapata we are different. And actually it is affecting youth than wazee. Kitambo ilikuwa nasema kitu kama hiyo ni ya wazee, siku hizi na affect mpaka na vijana wanaenda na madem zao whatever, hata wengine utasikia they're even having sex. All these things are things that can torture a man, especially anything in a surround hapo chini. Si kitu serious, that is a
Mhm.
serious topic that men need to have friends. We need to have
Yeah.
friends that we can trust, friends that we can open to. It's a hard thing, yes, but I
But
believe
when
with the foundation whereby una trust mtu mmoja na unajua huyu ni rafiki yako, if not at least open up to a doctor. Unaona, daktari I'm sure ni rahisi, utamwona kesho, si ni mtu unaenda kwake na unamwelezea your problem ama ni whatever, ama kama una mtu ambaye ni close to you, if you have a person unashikilia your faith, enda kwa mtu ambaye atakuambia mambo ya kubuild hope ama whatever it is. But kitu kinatusumbua zaidi ni who to trust. That is what we are lacking as men.
true, very true. And one thing I really like to add on what you're really actually saying right now, yeah. Um, we really have to trace on a basic upbringing of someone, the cultural values that person really had to carry when they're really actually growing up and stuff.